drill bit, milling cutter, and also the turning tools. Our GDU tool, it can grind diameter from 3 to 16 millimeters, and according to the requirement accessories, we can choose this accessory for grinding a coil. Firstly, this is the end mill accessory achievement. This diameter range from 3 to 16 millimeters, especially grinding some end mills. Additionally, this is our drill bit accessories achievement. The diameter from 3 to 8 millimeters. And lastly, this is the turning tool accessory. It's designed specially grinding some turning tools. We can, according to our different requirement, we can choose the different clamps. The clamping range from 3 to 16 millimeters. We can offer the 3 different types of grinding wheels. We have the ball white corundum grinding wheels, white and red, and also the orange wild and ball recent wild. We can offer the 3 different types of grinding wheels. This is a red corundum grinding wheel, and this is white corundum grinding wheel, and this is a round wheel, and that is a round recent wheel. The different types of grinding wheels have different granularities. The granularity number with largest, the thinner is more grinding. Now we use the micrometer to test the accuracy for the spindle. You can see that the reading are within the 5 mil. Now let we actually grinding a tool and take a look. First of all, we should install the grinding wheel, and we need to put this and the furring in. And we use this tool to lock tiny. Okay, second, we need to install the clamp. This.